Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this Barbie Princess Adventure doll that was sent to me from Minuenta, which is an online store that sells fun toys, dolls and games. This Barbie is based on the movie Barbie Princess Adventure. The packaging is super cute and bright, and on the back there's an image from the movie with all the characters. The doll is wearing a pink tiara and bright blue trainers. She has on a trendy pink top and a metallic purple jacket with a fur collar. She also has an asymmetrical skirt that has sparkly pink stars and inspirational words. The set also comes with extra fun accessories including a phone, some purple cat eye glasses, a pearl bag, a metallic silver necklace, extra shoes, and a super cute dog that is wearing a tiara and necklace. What I really like about this doll is the metallic and matte colour combination of her outfit. I also love that the doll comes with adorable accessories the doll can wear and hold, and I think this doll makes a great addition to any Barbie collection. Now I thought it would be fun to show you how to make some DIY miniature accessories for your dolls. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing and crafts. Let me know what you think of this Barbie Princess Adventure doll in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye!